first thing I want to talk about today is our TBT trade, right? The ultra short Lehman 20-year Treasury bond. As you know, yesterday Bernanke was talking about the economy and all, and what that did was it really made the rate, this rate ETF, right, the TBT, real volatile, and so the market actually shot up, made a new high, if you recall, yesterday. And then as he was talking about 2 o'clock, the market just totally tanked. Bonds actually started going lower. Rates actually started moving lower and traded all the way down. So the market really sold off yesterday afternoon, traded down to below $75 right there. So let's get an exact price. The market actually traded down to $74.96 after first trading up to $77.87 and taking out the all-time high. As you recall, we were long at $74. We took off a third of the position at $75.25 up in here, right? And then we trailed up the stop, and we, like on yesterday's video, I brought that up to $76.35, which was 20 cents below this prior high here, right here. So $76.35 was my sell stop. So I got stopped out right in here, but not bad. I made $2.35 off the 74. So I made a third of the position was taken off at 75.25, and then the remaining 2/3, quite frankly, was taken off at 76.35, making $2.25. So I'm pretty much flat to TBT now. I just knew it would be volatile yesterday, so I wanted to lock in some profits. Again, taking out the high, it only took it out marginally and failed and came down and closed here. Actually, yesterday was an engulfing pattern, closing near the low. But as you can see today, the market's opened up at 76.65. So, yeah, it's kind of all over the place. So, quite frankly, I'm looking to sell puts on any weakness. So, selling puts. So, again, if we're able to sell off at any time today, I would be selling puts lower, and I'll tell you what I'm doing tomorrow if that happens. So if today is able to sell off to $74.96 or below, I'll be selling puts probably about $73 for the closest expiration. Okay, so that's TBT. Let's quickly take a look at what I outlined yesterday. Okay, we are also long, as you know, Netflix, right? Netflix. We are long Netflix at 247.55. 247.55. It's never hit us. It's never taken us out. Our initial stop loss is right down in here with the white horizontal line below these lows, right? As you can see, the market opened actually made a high today of 248.90, and we're at 246.41 right now. So look at, since on today's open in the first 4 minutes, we've taken out the prior 2 days high. I'm going to move that stop up to below Tuesday's low. Tuesday's low is 241.81. I'm going to go to 241.61. So I'm bringing my stop up to below Tuesday's low, which is 241.61 is where my stop is now. 241.61 is right there. Again, it's below Tuesday's low. So when I first put this trade on, I was risking $6.94. Remember, this is a stock that's almost $300 a share, right? And this is off of a daily chart. So some of you may think that that's risking a lot of money. I mean, off of a daily chart, it's not risking a lot. This is not a day trade, okay? So as you see, I'm managing this trade, right? So again, the initial risk was $6.94, and now I'm bringing it up to below Tuesday's low because today already we've taken out yesterday's high and Tuesday's high, which means if today is able to come down and break through Tuesday's low, 241.81, and trade to 241.61, I don't want to be there anymore, okay? The market's been consolidating, so it's natural for consolidation or contraction to expand. So I'm expecting the market to move either up or down, right? I'm expecting up because the overall trend is up. But I'm managing the trade. Now I'm risking $5.94. Remember, that first profit target is $258.93, way up in here, okay? And I may change. It just depends on the market. So again, one of the keys to successful trading is managing the trade the right way, And so that's what I'm doing right now. So We've got, okay, TBT we talked about, Netflix. Let's talk about, take a look at this. Remember yesterday I talked about crude oil, right? And we're looking at USO right now, right? United States Oil Fund, right? Or, of course, you could take a look at directly crude oil futures, right? That's up big time. And if you recall, yesterday I was telling you that the market was in support level. Market's made quite a big move since making that call yesterday morning. Again, you can trade crude oil or USO. It doesn't matter. USO gapped higher, right? So we're back up again. Now, what I was really looking for was some type of price pattern. Could you have bought it automatically down in here at the 38.2% retracement from low to high? And again, measured from this low to this high, I got the 38.2% retracement right in here, and we're up significantly. Let's see. Look at the E-mini S&P 500, folks. We are at new highs again. We opened up higher, and we are trading above the all-time high. We've made a high today so far of 1698. We're getting close to the 1700. 1700 in the futures. Huge. Look at that. 1697. We've blown up through the all-time high of 1694.5. So that is really, really, really strong market. Yep, that's what we're doing here. And let's see. Look, as you can see, Apple is strong and starting to climb. We want to be selling some pullbacks or buying pullbacks now. Remember a while back, about 3-4 weeks ago, right down in here, I was telling you to look to be buying this market. Looked like a double bottom. Market has certainly done that, okay? So again, any questions, let me know. Have a profitable day, and I'll be back with you tomorrow. Hope that helps. Bye now.